What's up, guys? It is the Bad Wolf. And, you know, people have said I don't point out the positive things enough, right? Positive law enforcement and whatever else. I beg to differ. Um, but in light of that, let's, I'll focus a little bit more on that. That's not really what this channel's about. But yeah, you're right. Let's point out some positive officers of the law. And so today we're going to start a segment called um, Heroes in Law Enforcement. Okay. You're right. I have pointed out some of the negative things out there. But keep in mind, I do have friends and family and former neighbors and whoever else were law enforcement. I was going to be one myself. Was going to be a lawyer and some other things. Didn't pan out for whatever reasons. So today, in the segment of Hero of the Day, I have a sheriff who I would like to promote. Let's listen to what he has to say.
Terminated 141 officers under my command.
Michael, did you?
I've terminated 141 officers under my command. I'm pissed off because justice, Dr. King said it best, an injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. And damn it if we're going to play that game here in Broward County. 3 of our law enforcement deputies, while in the performance of their duties in compliance with our rules and regulations, have been charged with aggravated battery. It's appalling to witness this take place here in this community. I'm going to remind you of what I've said for 6 consecutive years as your 2-time duly elected sheriff of this county. And that is, when I know, you will know. And that everyone in this organization will be held accountable. And everyone in this community will be held to the same standard. I have demonstrated that consistently for 6 years, to the extent of which I've terminated 141 officers under my command. There hasn't been a sheriff in this state or in this country that has demonstrated that level of aggressive nature of holding law enforcement and public safety professionals responsible. And of those 141 plus cases, 98 times, 98, we have submitted over to the state attorney recommending prosecution. And I'm going to run down this one year after the next. This starts in my first year, 2019. 14 cases was recommended. Of those 14, 7 were declined by the state attorney's office. In 2020, 16 cases were submitted. 12 were declined by the state attorney's office. In 2021, 14 cases were submitted and 10 of them were declined by the state attorney's office. 2022, 17, 13 declined. 2023, 22 submitted, 15 declined. 2024, 13 submitted, 8 declined. And as of yet in 2025, we submitted 2 and already 50% of them are declined. So I will not accept the nature of these charges against these women. The video is crystal clear that they had demonstrated only the level of force necessary to get this individual back in compliance. Our standard is reasonable, necessary, in proportion to the threat of which we face. That is not just BSO standard, that is every walking, talking law enforcement official in the United States from the federal down to the counties.
I'm not sure if you heard.
When in the course of human events, it becomes necessary for you, sir, sheriff, good man, brother, thank you for upholding the Constitution, the Declaration of Independence, and the Bill of Rights, and being a damn fine law enforcement officer. For you to have fired 141 officers who did not meet the standard and to continue to push for their prosecution and to be denied by your state's attorney and the corrupt individuals of your particular corporate state, you, sir, I applaud you. And more people like you. And I encourage more people to be like you. I do not understand why it is so hard for people who want to sit here and say protect the blue line, back the blue line, but it's the blue line of secrecy. And you, if you do not fight injustice within your own department, but you want to go out on a daily basis and go after people for major, medium, and minor things, then you, sir, ma'am, agent, whoever, in all levels of government and local municipality and anywhere, banks, wherever else, are corrupt. And you are a traitor to these United States of America, the Constitution, the Bill of Rights, and the Declaration of Independence. And you're a hypocrite. So to you, you are the first officer I will nominate on this channel as Hero of the Day. You're welcome on my channel anytime. But understand, he also said that he will protect his officers if they are wrongly accused. He is holding the line. I salute you. And we, the people, we, the Americans, we, the nationals, we good people in general, thank you for your service. May you live long, serve well, prosper, and be blessed in all of your endeavors. But we too will keep an eye on you just in case. So please continue to light the way, and we will support you. God bless America.